If the now bar is not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues with the now bar. So first we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna start by going to notifications. What you need to do is go to the hide content while locked, and you want to pretty much show the content. In some cases, some features, for example, the clock app might not be displayed when the content is locked or when the content is hidden in the lock screen. So unfortunately, this can be the issue. Besides that, what you can also do is go to the lock screen option over here, and you want to make sure that notifications in lock screen are actually enabled. So turn them on, make sure that you can see notifications in the lock screen, and the style doesn't really matter that much, I think, as long as these notifications are actually enabled. In some cases, you might also go to app notifications, and for example, if the clock app is not working for you in the now bar, you can go to the clock notifications and make sure that it is enabled for the lock screen, and the notification, I'm not sure if the notification pop-up has to be enabled, but it is better when it is actually enabled. And make sure that live notifications is enabled, and you want to make sure for every app that is not working, you want to make sure that it is set up like this. So now we're gonna go back. If the now bar is still not working, if you still have some issues with the now bar, what you can also do is we're gonna go back to settings, and this time we're gonna go to lock screen and AOD and go to the now bar, and over here you should be able to find live notifications. You want to tap on view more, and you want to make sure that your apps are actually working. So just turn them on, and then they should work again. Last but not least, you can also try restarting your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So try to reboot it and see if the issue can be simply fixed with a simple restart of the device. So I hope this video was helpful. Let's see if in my case now bar is working, and yeah, it works just fine. It also works with the stopwatch. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.